everybody. My name's Kat. Welcome to my home and welcome to my entryway. It's a very cluttered space that I've used as a dumping ground for months. And I need to tidy it up. So I hope you'll come along with me and help me as I declutter, get rid of things, um, throw away trash, and just clean up. Thanks. Okay, this is what my entryway looks like. You come in the front door and you're greeted by all these lovely items. Also, this is the pass through from the upstairs to our bedrooms, to the upstairs bathroom, to the laundry room. So we come and go through this area quite frequently throughout the day. Um, there's just random stuff piled around. There's toys, books, clothing, things that need to go downstairs, things that need to go to our bedrooms. So it just needs an overall tidy. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is sort some items. Now, I was feeling pretty overwhelmed by this area. That's why I procrastinated for so long. But I'm just gonna mindlessly sort some items for a few minutes until I get into a good groove. So I already have a basket with some giveaway items, donations. I'm making a trash bag in the middle there, and then the newer empty basket, I'm going to place things that need to go downstairs. I've also got a clear container behind me with items that need to go into my bedroom. I'm going to take a few things, shoes and books and things that need to go to my daughter's room and put them to the side and ask her to pick them up. Now that I've done that little tiny bit, I can feel empowered to keep going and not give up. So I wasn't completely finished with this space when I started sweeping, but I needed to sweep because this side was so dusty and full of dog hair, and I just needed to kind of clean that up so I could keep going. Sometimes when you have the momentum, you just need to keep going with it and go with the flow instead of waiting until everything's perfect and you're ready to go to the next step. Cleaning this entryway took me over 2 days. That's why you'll notice the outfit change. But that's okay. You just gotta keep going and keep trying to do stuff. I have to just steal a few minutes from nursing the baby and doing all of my other tasks to come in here. Now, if you'll look up above in the ceiling, you'll see a lot of spider webs and dust. So I have a new handy dandy long duster that I got from Amazon that I really like for our crazy ceilings. So this is just me sweeping up some of those cobwebs. Alright, let's take a look at what this space looked like before. It was a dumping ground, it was disaster, it was a dumpster fire, lots of unmade decisions, things put off, and we had to walk through here probably 12 times a day looking at all of our decisions that we haven't made yet. And now, ta-da! Everything's clean. It has a home, lots of fresh air, fresh space, good chi. So thank you for coming along with me on this journey to tidy up my entryway or my foyer. I appreciate it so much, and I hope you will like and subscribe. Have a great day.